Well, I think Faber's biggest achievement has been firstly to have the vision that voice technologies can bring benefits just as legitimately to 10 users as they can to a big grocery chain with maybe hundreds and hundreds of users.
The company was formed in 1965 when Benjamin Britten became our first house composer. Then we bought Warner Brothers European print rights. We basically doubled in size overnight. Costs were spiralling, and it very quickly became apparent to me that voice picking was certainly the faster and more accurate method of picking.
So if we go into the middle, so this is the belt-mounted terminal.
I think Faber's a really good example of an SME that is showing really solid, tangible benefits through using a voice technology system. We often hear about, larger companies like Tier 1 level companies benefiting from the technology, but I think this is a classic example of the fact that it can be deployed at that lower level and to major effect.
1 ready. 1-5 ready.
Flexibility is key, and it's always been a key decision factor to make a decision to choose voice as opposed to RF or other systems. And that's especially the case with the small to medium-sized enterprise, where it's more important to get value from what you invest in.
At least 25% increases in picking speed has been achieved, and accuracy has shot up to almost 100%, so I think it's a fantastic case study.
Since they made the decision to go voice and they've picked specifically their picking processes, they've been able to introduce a new style of pick, wave picking, and as a result they've managed to virtually eliminate errors, and they're now able to embrace new markets or new routes to market such as e-commerce.
What we do, we then put all the orders on the conveyor belt and it goes down to our dispatch department.
It's a good application of voice picking, and it shows how scalable it is from an operation this size, that it can be scaled right up to a much larger organisation.
This is our order that we'd like to dispatch. So Kevin, he takes the label and basically scans the label into our ERP system.
Also, I was quite impressed with the amount of training, or the small amount of training that somebody needs. So if you've got casual labour, being able to train somebody within sort of 15 or 20 minutes is a big advantage of the technology, I think.
So I'd like to present you with this special award for outstanding business improvement and innovation in the warehouse.
Thank you.